In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Squarespace and account.squarespace.com. We'll walk through how to get from Squarespace's Start page to your account dashboard, open the website area, and publish your site with confidence. I'll add context and a few helpful tips along the way so everything feels clear and straightforward. Begin on the Squarespace. Create your website page. This is the main starting point for building or managing a site. Make sure you're using a modern browser and that pop-up blockers aren't getting in the way. If you're not already signed in, you may be prompted to log in before continuing. That's totally normal and just ensures you're accessing the right account. Look to the upper right corner of the page for the profile icon. Clicking this icon opens your account options. Think of it as your quick path to the administrative side of Squarespace, where you control everything related to your sites and subscriptions. From that menu, choose Account Dashboard. This takes you to account.squarespace.com, which is your centralized hub. Here you'll see tiles or listings for your sites, along with tools for domains, billing, and other account settings. If you manage more than one site, this area keeps them neatly organized so you can quickly jump into the one you want to work on. Next, click on the Website section. This is where your sites live. If you have multiple sites, select the one you want to publish by confirming its name and thumbnail. It's a good habit to double-check you're opening the correct site, especially if you're working across several projects. Inside your site, find the option to publish. You'll typically see a clear button or prompt labeled Publish Your Site. When you click Publish, you're moving the site from a private draft state to a public one. That means people can visit it using your built-in Squarespace domain, and if you've connected a custom domain, they can use that too. If your account is on a trial or you haven't chosen a plan yet, you may see prompts related to plans or domains. These are just standard steps that make the site reachable at your preferred address. After publishing, open a new tab to view the live site. If it doesn't appear updated right away, give it a moment or refresh the page. Caching can sometimes delay what you see. Remember, publishing isn't the end. You can keep editing your site anytime, and your changes will go live as you save. That's it. Start on the Squarespace Create page, open the profile icon, head to Account Dashboard, click Website, and publish your site. You're ready to share your work with the world.